Ahead of the budget session of Parliament, the government today convened an all-party meeting to ensure the smooth functioning of both houses. Enforcement Directorate is questioning former Deputy Chief Minister and RJD leader Tejashwi Prasad Yadav today in connection with a job or a land scam in Patna. Israel has expressed its gratitude towards India for its friendship and support and discussed regional security threats, including the security of shipping and regional projects that connect India with West Asia. India Meteorological Department has forecast a warning that 3 western disturbances in quick succession are likely to affect northwest India during the next week. In the Khelo India Games, Maharashtra ranks first in the medal tally with a total of 127 medals, including 44 gold, 39 silver and 44 bronze medals.